Your mind is like a garden. Your mind is capable of incredible things. You have the power to control your thoughts and focus on positive, uplifting ideas. Your thoughts have a direct impact on your actions and ultimately your life. Setting clear, specific goals is essential to achieving success. Develop a burning desire to achieve your goals and use that desire to fuel your actions. The power of your subconscious mind is immense, and it can be harnessed to help you achieve your goals. Your beliefs shape your reality, so it's important to have positive, empowering beliefs. Success requires hard work and persistence, but it's worth it in the end. You must take responsibility for your own thoughts and actions if you want to achieve your goals. It's important to develop a positive mental attitude and maintain a sense of gratitude. Your mind is a tool, and it's up to you to use it to your advantage. You have power to change the circumstances and create the life you want. Don't let fear of self-doubt hold you back from achieving your goal. Visualizations is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. You are the master of your own destiny, and you have the power to create your own future. Always strive to improve yourself and learn new things.